Why does cracking your knuckles sound like your bones are breaking? Most people think the cracking sound comes from bones grinding together, but that's not totally true. You see, inside your joints, there's a small space filled with fluid and tiny dissolved gases. When you stretch your finger to crack it, that space suddenly expands. The pressure drops, a gas bubble forms, and it quickly pops. So what's really happening? Before I explain, if you think this cute dog is adorable, hit like and subscribe. After the crack, that gas bubble needs time to dissolve back into the joint fluid. That's why you can't immediately crack the same knuckle again.